Chichi. Boom. Congacho, man. Congacho.
What you trying to say?
It's Gospel Puma's latest hit.
Oh, shit. I don't know it,
I was not even dancing to it.
Chichi. Congacho. People are complaining.
What's it?
Quish is like one of the pioneering
What's in
producers
it,
of Upper Piano. He went on a whole Facebook rant saying this is not piano. Like, call it something else. This is not the piano we fought so hard for.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a comrade who was in the trenches.
But if it's a hit, the people have spoken.
Oh.
That's it, bro. And
It's a hit,
music,
it's a hit.
and it evolves. Music evolves, bro. Like, it's... Quish.
What's next? After that?
People are like, hey, nigga must take a holiday or something. But I ain't pay nigga, pay I was Scott. Congacho, man. Congacho. Yeah, but
Hi guys, so this one says you won't understand this song if you don't have a car. Lol. And this one says, guys, Scott is under a lot of pressure. If he doesn't produce BMW, gone, Ganji. Yeah, ne? It's a nice song when you're drunk. Nah, I don't agree. Not for me. It is not a hit song. Definitely not a hit song. Kanjani. Nah. Free advertisement for him. Ish, yani. But it's a nice song to you, my darling. For me, it's not giving. Scott trying to tell people that piano is dead and gone, Kanji. Yani. Probably. The quality of Amapiano has dropped 100%, guys. Yeah. People are just making music for TikTok now, and I'm not gonna lie, some of the songs are very nice, but this one is definitely not a hit. Imagine being serious in the studio, then people laugh at your song so hard. Lol, you think Scott Mapuma was serious at the studio when he was recording this song? It doesn't sound like that to me, like, nah. Castor Oil music, yeah. Scott was ahead of time. He knew people will complain. Waveli wati, bati nibona. Lol. This one says, Uncle Saul is so funny, OMG. Saul is very funny, hey, and I like him so much, Kesan. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Please share your thought under the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next one.
What's in a good day? It's in the word of the day. The word of the day is vroom, gone kanje. Ave kumnandi ukunikwatisa.
Vroom, konganji, man, konganji. Vroom, konganji, man, konganji. Elava energy piano feel singoba nini. Vroom. Vroom, konache man, konache man. Vroom. Vroom, konache man. Scott Mapuma. Shy 5Ks ngawe boy. Shy 5Ks ngawe ntwana yami. Awudlali. Shay number boy.